I've been playing all my life.
The Garden City woman learned how to play at age 7.
Both of my parents were musical, and so my mom played all the time.
She went on to major in piano in college, teach piano to grade school children, play at various special events, community centers, and at church every Sunday.
I play the old-time hymns.
Music is Tammy's life, so you can imagine how scary it was when one day Tammy suddenly forgot how to play.
I was playing for a funeral, and I could see the music. I knew what the notes were, but I felt like I wasn't all there. But the brain just didn't react. It was really weird.
Next, she forgot how to lead the meetings in a club she'd been active in for years.
I could not remember. I knew what it was supposed to be. The brain just wouldn't function. And afterwards, people say, "What's wrong with Tammy anyway?"
What was wrong with Tammy?
I've done all this stuff all my life. Then all of a sudden, it just wasn't there.
Next, she noticed a change in her eyes.
My eyes were not bright. It just kind of like dull.
She felt like a stranger to herself, and to make it worse, she was also suffering terrible kidney problems, which dominated her doctor's visits.
I didn't have enough presence of mind to tell them that my brain wasn't working that well either.
What Tammy didn't know at the time was her kidney problems were causing the brain fog. It was all tied together, and a transplant could give back her sharper mind. How? Researchers at the University of Kansas Medical Center say cognitive impairment is often associated with advanced kidney disease because the disease can cause a buildup of waste products in the blood, affecting brain health. Tammy was finally referred to the University of Kansas Health System, and on May 1st, 2024, she got her new kidney. And when Tammy returned to Garden City, she noticed something amazing. All of her brain fog had disappeared. She could play again.
I could see the music. I could understand the music. I knew what the notes were. I knew where my hands were to go. I knew what I was playing. I didn't have to think.